It's a white Christmas.
Oh my goodness! Say, oh my goodness! What is this? What is this? Oh my God, a car! Beep beep! Blow the horn, babe. Blow the horn. Beep beep. And a slide. Say slide. You want to try it?
Say Merry. Say Christmas.
Wait, you gotta open the door, babe.
Baby, you gotta open the door.
Open it. Wait.
She go ahead first, though.
Get in. There's a car. Close the door. Close the door. Good job.
Honk the horn, babe. Babe, the horn, right here.
Wow. All right. Let's drive. Let's go for a drive. Want to test drive it?
Hey, bye. Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Beep, beep. You got to press it. You'll hit it, man. Come on. Beep, beep.
You gone? Which way you heading, Mongoose?
All right.
Uh-oh, babe. What? Did these fall off or did they come off? Oh, okay.
Come on. You test drive other stuff.
Babe, where you out already? Jump out the whip.
Close the door.
Oh, onto the bike.
What's this, babe? What's this? Oh, my goodness.
A bike, yeah.
Helmet. Look.
Whoa. Babe, can you pedal?
Sit there. Take a picture. Come on. Sit. Sit on your... Where you
Whoa,
going now?
whoa, babe.
You doing your slide? Okay. You got to test everything out. I get it. Get the bear off. Watch. Whee! You ready? Come on. You got to get on your slide. It's your turn. You going to play with the bear?
You gonna play with the bear, babe?
Here. Come on. Go, babe. Babe, not the bear. Okay, fine. It's your slide. She doing it. You gonna carry the bear? Come get on the slide. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here, Kendall. No, not the bear. This one is for you, not the bear. Come here. Hey, you're going the wrong way. Come here, so we can put it on. What did you do with the other two?
Oh, I got them in my hand. I didn't know it was those two. Car.
Uncle Willie. Say thank you, Uncle Willie.
Dude, she liked that car.
Yeah, I ain't think it was gonna be that much. But
Yeah.
like I know she plays with it at William's house.
Yeah.
I know she's gonna go crazy. Like she knows how to close the door. You've seen pictures where they be fighting over that car.
Mm-hmm. Wow. We got a problem.
It's a good thing.
No, that's what I meant. Like, ain't no it gonna be like that. She gonna fall asleep in the car today. What?
That just hurt to realize what you see.
Slide on the slide, girl. Get on the slide and quit tripping.
Oh, go on. Ready? Set. Go!
Back to the car. Now she trapped.
She's shouting about the slide. You gotta take a picture for Mama. That thing is tripping.
Why?
Mommy, she's waiting on you to push her. Oh, no, you got it.
Go. I'm
There
sorry.
you go. She turned and looked like, hey,
She's
Mommy.
ready for ready, set, go.
Oh, okay.
Ready, set, go.
Oh, okay. Wee, babe. You like it, babe?
Say ready,
Ready.
set.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Wait a minute. Say cheese. Go.
That made me my parents calling me on the work regular phone. Where's my, Yay!